Hey everyone, Richard C. Wilson here, Family Office Club. Not sure if you can see the altimeter on my watch, but we're at about 16,500 feet on an Everest base camp trek to see the Khumbu ice fall and base camp of Everest. And wanted to record a video for you real quick on just some things we've learned over the last 16 years about being authentic, genuine, and humble. It's important to us that we follow Gary Vaynerchuk's advice to document our journey and not pretend to know everything. Of course, we've learned a lot the last 16 years running our investor club, but we're always learning more. And what I'm realizing is that the most successful people in the world are typically very present when you talk to them. They're humble. They don't pretend to know everything. They don't pretend to predict the future, and they don't try to have fake credibility. Fake credibility is going around and taking pictures with 50 celebrities and posting that on your website as if there's no other form or reason someone would take you seriously, except for the fact that you paid to be around a bunch of celebrities. It doesn't really mean anything. Fake credibility is saying you've predicted every economic crash in the last 20 years. If that was true, you'd be a billionaire. And by the way, billionaires like Ray Dalio, billionaires like Howard Marks do not even pretend to come close to predicting when the next economic crash is. They never claim that they've predicted every past crash. So people who say that really don't have any credibility in my mind. The fact is that over time you get humbled by reality. And one thing I learned in EO is that when you are sharing experiences like we try to do on these videos, you're just saying, this is what I've learned on my journey. This is what I've learned on my trek running our investor club. And I hope it's helpful to you. I hope some part of it you can take away and make sure that those around you who are pitching something, if they have fake credibility or have big, massive claims, you can be sure that it's not real. We had someone just text me yesterday while hiking through a village saying they've been trying to raise capital for their hedge fund for many years. And now at almost zero assets under management, someone offered them $2 trillion to manage. I said, that's a complete fraud, obviously. We see people who tried to raise $1 billion for some project on an island somewhere, have never raised capital before. It's not going to happen. More power to you if you're the one person who pulls that off. But credible professionals typically are genuine, authentic, share their experiences without being overly confident that you should do this for sure. And this is the only way to do, and this is the only way to act, and this is the only system that works. Because I don't know you, you know you. And so we just try to share our experiences, document what we're learning, document what smartest investors we know are doing, document what the best, fastest growing investment sponsors are doing, and then share that within our community. One thing I've been stressing a lot lately is that the Family Office Club is a perpetual learning machine for myself. I hope it is for you as well. And I hope you enjoyed a couple of the comments in this video and can relate to them. And I hope to shake your hand face-to-face at one of our live events soon. This is Richard C. Wilson. If you want to learn more, please go to familyoffices.com.